Habikran beginong patay kubor, Menteri Rang Ba Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Uloong, bagi Sorkar Jela ke Habat Pynlut, Praspa Akatnyo Klur Tengkah ke Cisnam Ban Menteri Kami ke Rukom Siu Tulop ke Thymmai, ya palat Arpulah Jarngut Kinahikai ad hoc bat SSE. Bat kanikan terekam naduk Syitrik Uyayong Arhajar Arpuhun Rio. Kani kerai ketemu ban penbeno ekejing dawa ke Bala Slam ban penbet renti ikut Rukom Siu Tulop, bat kejing Shingan kakam na ke Benta Kinahikai. Uloong babarwa kini kiigin saja ha kini kihin rupos ni banwan bat an sa pentre kam me kene grupam siu tulap ke Thymmai hapo ke Syitrik Uyayong mentag senam. Bagani ke jing siu kan kentubru ya ke jing penkiu tulap memala ke senam lani ke increment ka jing penhe ke tulap kat kum ka jing tre slam lani ke seniority bat ke kendon ban senyang syaka contributory provident fund.
Pay framework for fixed pay teachers under the education department. As you're aware, this decision is a decision where the ad hoc teachers and the SSC teachers mainly, numbering approximately 23,099, uh, who were receiving grant in aid, and of course in SSA case they were receiving also the uh, structure that was proposed from and cleared by Government of India, and different structures were being given to different teachers, and hence there's been a demand for a very long time that there should be some kind of a structured pay, uh, a framework should be created, and there should be some kind of security in terms of the job for the concerned teacher. For the last 6 months, we have been in discussion with the different teachers and different associations. And before Christmas, we had announced the decision to go ahead with the structured pay frame. The numbers were finalized during that time, and I did not announce the numbers then because we had not approved it in the cabinet. But I can share with you that we have today approved the same proposal that was there in the cabinet today. And next 2 months, we will work out the nitty gritties of other important interventions that need to be taken, because this is a reform that we're doing, and the reform will have multiple aspects. And hence, while we give the teachers their salary package, the structured pay framework, there are other um, structures or restructuring that will take place within the schools also. So all of this will happen in the next 60 days, and we will be implementing the new structured pay framework by 1st of April 2026. The total amount that will be spent on giving this structured pay framework to teachers is approximately 817 crores will be the annual impact on the state government.